Welcome to Stock Valley. When the most people think of the US stocks market, they imagine chaos. They picture multiple monitors, flashing red or green numbers, and the traders screaming on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. The media says to you the idea that to make money in stocks, you need to be faster than the algorithm. Prediction, the news before it happens, and day trading, your way to millions. But here's the truth that the Wall Street doesn't want to broadcast. Real, generational wealth isn't built in minutes or hours, built in the years and decades. The greatest investors in the history don't watch the 5-minute chart. They master market psychology, they understand the historical price cycle, and they know the exact support levels where the smart money steps in. Today, we are going to strip away the noise of the daily fluctuation and show you the true anatomy of American stocks market. By the end of this video, you will understand how to stop reacting like gambler and start the positioning yourself like a financial institution. Let's start with the most important asset you have, your mind. The stock market is essentially a real-time graph on the human emotion. Greed drives peaks and the fear creatures of the bottom. Millions of retail investors fall into the trap of the short-term trading. They buy a stock because it's trending on social media, only to panic sales 3 days later when the price drops by 5%. Discontent, buying and selling. Try to catch the daily prompts. It's a zero-sum game. You are fighting high-frequency trading, both designing and located impatient money. Successful investing requires you to zoom out. When you shift your focus from the what will this stocks to the tomorrow to where is this company in the historical cycle, everything changed. Passion became your ultimate edge. You don't need to trade every day. You just need to be right on the microeconomics shifts. To trade without panic, you must understand that the US stocks market moves in the distinct cycle. Nothing goes up in straight line. Not even giant like Apple, Microsoft, or Nvidia. Every major asset goes through the four phases. First, the accumulation phase. This is when the market quiets, maybe even slightly bearish. The media is ignoring the stocks. Institutional investors, the smart money, are quietly buying a historical cheap price. Next comes the markup phase. The stocks break out, momentum builds, earnings report coming to strong, and the general public starts noticing. Then the distribution phase. This is when the stock is on the cover of every magazine. Everyone talking about it. The smart money begins to sell their shares to excited retail investors. Finally, the markdown phase, or correction. Panic sets in, prices crash, and the cycle prepares to start all over again. As an investor at Stock Valley, you are is to identify the accumulation zone. You want to buy when there is blooding in the streets or passion is required. So how do we find these accumulation zones? We look at the historical prices cycle and the major support levels. If you look at the Standard Poor's 500 or Nasdaq over a 5 or 10 years period, a pattern emerges. During market panics, whatever its macroeconomic crisis and inflation scare or geographic events, the stocks fall. But they rarely fall into an abyss. They fall to established historical support levels. These are price point where, historically, massive buying pressures has entered the market. Instead of the getting caught up in the daily news cycles, look at the weekly or monthly charts. Find the baseline where the stocks has bounced multiple times over the years. When a fundamentally strong American company returns to this historical support, it is really a reason to panic. It is an opportunity of the life. The technical analysis isn't about the prediction the exact future. It's about defining your risk and recognizing the footsteps of the institution's capital. Applying this strategy means making peace with the boredom. Good investing should be boring. You do research, you identify the strongest assets in the US market, you wait for them to hit your technical support zones, and then you do nothing. You hold, you let the companies innovate, grow their earnings, and buy back their shares. You ignore this noise of the Federal Reserve's meetings, the monthly inflation's data, and the daily headlines. Wall Street is designed to make you act. The brokers make money on your transactions, fees, and the media makes money on your attentions. But your wealth is built on your inactivity. The greatest transfer of wealth happens during the bear markets, passing from those who couldn't handle the psychological pressure to those who had a long-term plan. Investing in the American stock market is the journey of the psychological endurance and the technical disciplines. Stop chasing the 5-minute candles and start the mastering microscience. If you want to build real wealth, understand the mechanics of the market and stay ahead of crowd. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We will continue bring you deep dives into the market psychology, technical analysis, and long-term strategy here at Stocks Volley. Let time be your greatest asset. See you in the next video.